everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and right now I am in Torrance, California. I'm here for Meetup with the Orange County Tesla Owners Club, and normally we meet up for like a Sunday brunch, but today we're actually being invited by a watch company. Field trip, exactly. We've been invited by a watch company to go see how they make watches. Now, when I think of watches, I think of Switzerland, you know, Swiss watches, Omega, Rolex, but apparently they make it in America, in Torrance, California. So let's go check it out. Check it out, Sally. A Model 3, a Model S, a Model X, all in blue, so you can get a good look at all of them. So this is unfortunately the Model X is facing the wrong way. So yeah, they're the same blue. So you can get a really good look at the nose of each. And then the Model X is facing the wrong way. I see the Model 3 is starting to take hold. This white one with the red Tesla logo, the arrow wheel, that looks quite nice. He's got some, this one's got some custom work on it. See, so he's got the red logo. And he's blacked all the trim. That's normally chrome. See, he blacked that out. That's normally chrome. And the door handles have been blacked out as well. Matches the arrow wheels. This Model 3 is the more normal. You can see the chrome trim on it, and then versus the black trim. And the chrome door handles, or the blacked out one. Yeah. Hey, oh look, his interior, Sally. He's got white. Oh look. He's got.
That's an option.
No, it's not. It's an aftermarket. But yeah, that's kind of cool.
There you go.
Yeah, he's got the carbon wrap on the interior, even with the white water bottle.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah,
I love this.
And I love the Model 3. The Model 3. Yeah, on the.
Yeah, because it's on the back one too in the middle.
Who did your?
Oh, look at that. Oh, that's nice. Custom Model 3.
Online, and they will. I asked him to do that, and now he sells them. So he has a
I used to do customization for a living.
He put some stuff on it, and then.
Alright. What do you think of the Model B with the cool black wrap? It's really a Model 3, but let's place this Model B.
It looks like a fogged up windshield.
It looks like a fogged up windshield. No, it's not. It's just a glaze on the windshield, but not fogged up.
No.
What?
Like the shine looks like a fogged up windshield.
Oh, the shine looks like a fogged up windshield. Well, it is a matte black. It's not a gloss black, so yeah. I guess it could be a fogged up windshield. Here comes John with his little gold wing smart. There he is, yeah. He showed up. You can park that thing anywhere, man. You can park it anywhere. It's so small. Yeah, just back it right in there.
Put it in your trunk.
It has gold wing doors.
Does it?
Yeah.
They don't come with that, do they?
No, they didn't. He put it on. It's hilarious. That is so funny. That thing is so small. Alright, so check out the gold wing doors. Show the gold wing, yeah! Show the gold wing. The Lambo doors.
Oh my God.
That's hilarious.
It looks like those cicada bugs.
You need to electrify that. That's what you need to do. Yeah, we'll put a couple of roaster motors in there. Yeah, that's it.
I'm Cameron Weiss, and I'm the founder and master watchmaker at Weiss Watch Company. We started 5 years ago in a small apartment, and now we've moved into a larger manufacturing facility where we actually make movement parts, everything from screws and pinions and wheels, through to cases, bridges, do all of the assembly here in Los Angeles, and it's all mechanical watches, no batteries, all traditional watchmaking.
So these are all the machines that makes the watches. Unfortunately, I don't know how it works, but looks like some kind of particles still there. Okay, this is a lathe. I remember this from like back in high school machine shop. It must be 100 years old. Alienware. So this machine probably makes the case for it.
This machine can make a lot of things.
Yeah, it can make a lot, but I imagine in a watch company, you're probably making the case. So this is watch casings. Yeah, so that little, it's a CNC machine, precision. You can see there's a water nozzle.
There'll be the fluids.
Yeah, fluid, yeah, keep it cool, the water, yeah, and the fluid.
So
And
what
it's got
might be
various cutting bits too, I can see. Wow.
Well, he was saying that one's heated up
Okay, right.
to fit the piece so it's precise, whereas the others have collets, so it's not as precise.
Right. So he's going to CNC machine, and the machine mills out the case. So that's the finished case. And look, see, here's the all the other pieces, all machined out. This is the polish station where they polish the case after they clean it. So it's got a big magnifying glass. But look, here's some cases ready to be polished. This room is much cooler than the other room. And if you look at right there, you can see the thing that winds the watches, so keep it wind.
This is our American issue field watch. This has the movement in it that we make in the studio, and here's some of the components that we make as well. This is before they get rhodium plated. We make all these screws here.
That's a screw? You can barely make it out. And look at, oh, there's a position.
And this is the automatic.
Alright, so which one? This is hand wind?
Yes.
And that's automatic winding.
The middle one is also a manual one.
Oh, so wow, look at that.
And that's the movement that we make here.
So under sapphire back.
If you want to see the watches, they're right here in this window.
This is how you keep a watch wound up. Sally's been moving the dust off her. Alright, Sally, that's good, that's good. She's stuck. Alright, Sally, what do you think of these watches? You better have an Apple Watch, right? Yeah.